Hey guys, this is Mansi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and are safe at your home. As you all know, jewelry is a crucial part of fashion and styling, and lately I have been seeing those trendy jewelry with shells and those bulky jewelries, and then I saw the prices for the same on websites like Nykaa, Etsy, etc. And I think the prices are a little bit higher. It is a little bit expensive. I don't want fashion to be so heavy on anyone's pocket, so I decided to go ahead and DIY those jewelries. I made a jewelry with shell, I DIY that jewelry, and then I posted the same story on my Instagram saying that this is the neck piece that I have made, and it is a DIY project that I did recently. And so many of you messaged me saying that this is beautiful, and so many of you asked me that if I'm selling the jewelries, if I'm taking the orders for the same. No, I'm not taking orders for the same. I do not sell jewelries. However, I do customize clothes. You can go ahead, follow me on @pleated by Mansi to know more about my brand. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you not only trending jewelries but also some accessories that are trending and how you can make it at your home. And now that being said, I think we should get started with the video. So for the first DIY, we are going to make a shell hoop earrings, for which you will need of course a pair of hoop, jump rings and shells. Now all you have to do is take a jump ring and insert it into the shell. Now take another jump ring and attach it to the center of the hoop. Now you will have a base ready. Simply attach the shell to the jump ring and voila, you have your shell earrings ready. I honestly love the results. I mean, only 2 steps to follow and you have a trendiest jewelry in your collection. For the second DIY, we are making a choker. For that, take a twine or a thick thread, cut out 1 meter or so and wrap it around your toe. You can use another object to braid it, but wrapping it around your toe makes the procedure really easy. Now, tie a knot and then make a loop like I am showing you in this video. Now, you just have to pass the single thread through the loop and start braiding it. It might look difficult at a first try, but once you get the gist or once you get the grip, I promise it will be easier. After braiding it for a while, it will look something like this. I made 3 such braids. Now take a golden chain and tie a knot at the top. Now divide it into 3 parts and start braiding it like you braid your hair. In this process, make sure the golden chain is visible as it adds a lot of character to the choker. After braiding it, this is how it will look. Now I'm just gonna make a knot at the other end and add the shell charm in the center again. And that's it, you guys, your brand new choker is ready. This one takes a little longer, but I'm so sure that once you see the results, it will be all worth it. For the next jewelry, you will need a golden chain, jump ring and shell. Now the only thing you have to do is attach the shell to the jump ring and then finally attach it to the center of the chain. It is so easy, yet it looks like you have made so much efforts, and it also looks stylish. I actually made this to pair it up with the previous choker that we made so that it looks like a set, and I love how dainty and cute it looks. For this DIY, I'll say this is kind of a jugaad. I am using a bulky chain from one of my clutches. You can also use such chains from your handbags or sling bag. All I'm doing is adding a charm, which is again a jugaad. It's like a cufflink or something from my dad's closet. And yeah, I think this turned out to be a very unique piece. Also, it gives that bougie sort of a vibes. I can't pick one out of these DIYs, but I think this one has my heart. This last DIY is literally no brainer, you guys. Nothing can get easier than this one. You just have to take hair clips and spray paint it in any color that you like. I'm sticking to a golden shade. As you can see, I just did a middle partition and wore this hair clips, and as you can see, it looks so cute and adds so much fun to your hairstyle. I think you should definitely try it. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know where all my DIY buddies are, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, and goodbye.